Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I am going to be playing Texas Chainsaw again, which I actually only have one video on my channel, which was my first time ever playing it, which I've been playing it for a while, and I'm going to do another video on it because this game is a guilty pleasure, and it's kind of dead, which is sad because this game is great. I also got your boy Marcus, who's playing as Johnny.
Residents of Marfa, Texas say the phenomenon, simply known as the Marfa ghost lights, are occurring at an astounding rate over the last few months. Witnesses report seeing white, blue, and red orbs of light dangle and dance above the Chinati Mountains.
Yeah, look at that ball, man. Look at them. Look at them. Yeah, come here. Yeah, big ball. Had a big ball. What a biggest ball. Big ball. Biggest ball. Get on that hook. I want some bacon. Damn. What the fuck? There ain't no fucking way, bro. They already woken up.
Let me dust off the rust, you know, the dust, the rust.
Get her done.
These people have probably been playing for, I don't know. Like they haven't stopped playing, like at all.
This game's old as fuck.
Yeah, got me fucked up.
Where'd you get? Are they up there with you at all? Marcus, hello?
I don't see him.
I literally see him.
Yeah, they're below with you.
Yeah, they are.
That's what I like.
Yeah, you crawl on the other side. Hell yeah, she's already dead. Let me introduce you to my chainsaw real quick. Let me say hi to you. Give me your face real quick. Let me show you. Look at my fucking chainsaw! Yay. Happy. I'm loving it. Oh, one disconnected. Unfortunate. Oh, they're up there. Two of them are up there.
Yeah. Two.
Wait. I hear you.
Kitties in my mouth. You ever watch somebody die?
Feed you. What?
No, I was just saying.
What'd you say? I didn't hear you.
I was just talking to
Huh?
kill one.
Yeah, let's watch it. Yeah, slice it back open. She looks like a stripper.
That's Virginia right there.
Huh?
That's sweet Virginia.
That's Virginia? That's who you killed?
Yeah.
That was her name? Virginia?
Yeah.
Man.
Oh,
Wait, they're hitting Grandpa. They're hurting Gramps.
No, not.
What's that noise, man?
It's the cook beating somebody's ass.
That was a blood trail. There's only one person left. Oh, they gotta be in the basement somewhere.
Found him.
Where?
You see him? He's highlighted.
I don't see him.
Fuck. He's
Basement or?
No, he's outside.
Alright, I'm coming.
Here you go, Grandma.
Coming outside. Outside? Front? Outside or back outside?
Yeah, just look for him. I'm on the highlight. I'm sitting over here.
Found him.
Good.
Fuck. My chainsaw's on cooldown. He's with me. Do you see where I'm at?
Yes. He's running. Fuck.
Where?
Over here. He's running to the gate.
You gonna escape?
Nope. He might actually. Hey, let me turn on the generator.
Yeah, turn it on.
Fuck.
He's gonna get it, Marcus. He's gonna escape.
Yeah, it's too late. Should've thought of that. Should've thought of that quicker.
Dude, how? Why was the gate not already electrocuted? Who turned it off?
Hey, he turned it off. And then when you were on cooldown, he just ran.
Yeah, that was a 7-minute game.
Yeah. Oh shit. Let's see if we get another game. Real quick.
I think we'll get another killer. I think it's gonna be lobby simulator again.
A little bit of both, you know.
Good old lobby simulator. Alright, I'm in. Okay, there you are. Alright. Wait, we already got a killer. Hell yeah.
Let's go! And it, oh, it's a hitchhiker too.
Then. Hell yeah. No, he's a sissy. He's playing a sissy now. Why is the other two people not rating up? What the fuck? Thank you. Alright, they rated up. That's just one person now. The fuck? Bro, what is the other person doing? There we go. You know what, Marcus? Can you hear Marcus?
Female college students in Pflugerville,
Marcus, hello?
Texas last year.
I'm gonna kill that girl who didn't ready up just because she didn't ready
Pflugerville
up.
citizens are in an uproar
I'm gonna kill her and only her.
answers from Texas state officials on why no
Why the
arrests
fuck
have
was she
been
not
made in
readying
the
up?
case.
I know it doesn't take that long.
An unidentified man entered the home tonight,
Yeah.
viciously strangling one female to death before attempting to stab both.
Someone's already next to me. I can already hear them moaning and groaning.
You make a sissy?
Get your ass back here.
Bam.
Don't you fucking hit
Wait,
me
what's
with
that?
the
What's
door?
that Halloween game coming out again? Same people that made this, huh?
Yeah. Wait, what'd you say? I couldn't focus. What?
I said, what is that the new Michael Myers game coming out? Or the new Halloween, I mean. Alright, I'll look it up.
Come on, bitch. Go.
Hey, you call him a bitch?
Where'd he go?
Why'd you do that?
He's about to die is what he's about to do. He's literally one hit and he's done. Ah, he isn't gonna play with me because he knows I can't get through that crack. Oh, he's gonna play around. Oh, you killed him.
Kill him, kill him!
I can't see anything.
I can't see shit either. I feel like
Ah.
Johnny will call me the N-word.
Yeah, by the way, Halloween, the game comes out in March.
What the fuck? Everything comes out in March.
Hey, that guy's low as fuck.
No, no,
Marcus. That
no.
guy is literally one hit. Alright, he's gonna go down. I'm going down.
There's two up here, I'm pretty sure. Once again kept. Oh, he's down. What?
What the fuck?
I didn't hear nothing. Am I crazy? Oh, did he go to like the other exits? Hold on. Did he open a door somewhere? What the fuck?
I think I fucked up, but I thought I had to wait for that guy to get up.
Ow. Oh, they did.
God.
They're over here. They're over here. Oh my gosh. I cried.
I think I fucked up, bro. I could have gotten that kill, but I thought when they're down on the ground, I have to wait for them to get back up.
You can pick them up.
I don't have to, though. Fuck, dude. I actually fucked that up. That was my fault.
They're just fucking with us now, huh?
No, the exit's closed. They can't get up now. I saw it. I just went to it. They closed itself.
Oh my gosh.
So there's two people left. We can clutch this up for 2 kills. We just gotta be smart with it. But I can guarantee that the exit downstairs has been shut now.
Oh, 515.
Down or up? Basement or up ground?
They down there. She's downstairs now.
Basement?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going back down then.
Gosh. I'm fire. I feel like Johnny's cool, but I feel like he will just call me the N-word. Deadass.
Johnny?
Yes, he will.
What makes you think that?
Deadass.
What makes you think that?
You saying none of them would? We in.
They're rednecks. Yes, they would.
Johnny would say it with the proudest.
He would say
You
with the
see it?
hard R.
I feel like with Sissy, I'll be like that one dude in Get Out, that ass. Like, oh, you know.
Bro, where the fuck are they? Dude, are they AFK?
They're running around though.
You said she was in the basement, bro. I doubt it. Wait, up or below? They're not highlighted. Bro, I am so fucking confused. Where are they? They are not in the basement.
Sweet home.
Alabama. Sister, I'm coming Saturday.
Shout out to Virginia. I remember I was in West Virginia, bro. Oh my god.
How was it?
Like, imagine like,
Was it sensational?
well, internet's kind of ass, and there's fucking barns and churches everywhere too.
You're old West Virginia.
Like, so, there's like literally a fucking petting zoo like everywhere.
What the fuck?
You ever touched a goat before?
I have.
Let one spin
I
your
know
face.
what petting zoo is. I've done a lot of them.
Like there's just
They
mad
fucking opened the
barns.
exit. The basement's opened again, bro.
Oh my god. Hold on, let me see if I get this up. I'm disconnected.
Alright, I'm going back down because where I just went, I know where the exit's at. It's straight down here. Straight to the left. Alright, I'm camping then.
Billy.
How long is this open?
Wait, I hear someone turned off the.
You said what?
Someone turned off something.
Basement's about to close. It closed again. Basement's closed. Alright, however they keep open the basement, that shit needs to be settled. I don't know who can turn it off, but it needs to be turned off. I think you can do it, right? You or sister. How?
Yeah.
Where? Where did they escape from?
The other exit. The electric. The car battery one, I was just saying.
Then where's the chick?
Is that good?
Where the fuck is this other girl? Oh, she's all the way over there.
No.
Did you see
No.
that highlight too?
No. What?
She escaped.
She threw a fucking. Oh my gosh, she threw cocaine at my face. Oh my gosh. Blue shit.
Oh, that shit. Yeah, the blue Smurf come. And they escaped. That wasn't a great second game.
No.
First game was good. Second game fucking sucked.
I don't like this map.
I'm not gonna lie, bro. Neither do I. Victims survived, but what is left of them? And pretty good bits left actually. Because they didn't really get killed. They got slapped by a chainsaw. That one guy is probably a little fucked up.
Mhm.
Gate from the dock. And then the... Why did no one disable the gate? You can disable stuff, right? Do you have the option to do that? Is that your character that does that?
What?
To disable it. Once the shit's open, you can disable it, can't you?
Everyone,
Or is that...
everyone can.
Oh. I thought Leatherface can't. Who will survive? What will be the last of them? Bam bam bam. Oh, we got a killer too. Let's fucking go right off the bat.
Bones. I forgot what bones do anyway.
Good old Bones. Oh, also, I asked the guy, by the way, Marcus.
But
He came back and he bought the fucking gift cards. I asked him what he uses it for. You know what he dead ass told me?
what?
He was like, I scam people with them.
No, he did not. Top it.
On God, he fucking did. I literally went. I was like, hey, because our register shit's fucked, so the gift card wasn't gonna work, so I had to call Jocelyn up. I was like, hey, before Jocelyn came up and stuff, and while I was waiting and stuff, I was like, hey, I want to ask you, what do you use these for? He's like, I scam people with them. I was like, you dead ass? And he's like, yeah. I was like, huh. Okay. Cool. I told Jocelyn too, bro. I mean, it makes sense. I mean, bro spends like $3,000 fucking dollars on gift cards, bro. Comes here with fucking the white little envelope just full to the brim of cash.
Hey.
How do you scam with an Apple gift card? How do you even scam with that?
I don't know, but them do the same.
Unidentified woman spent years hitchhiking from Texas to California.
Don't we have to report that?
Murdered several truck drivers.
Why would we report it?
Along the route. Billy Jasper,
He's scamming people!
Okay, he's not scamming the store. Who cares?
Brody, I care.
That's his money. What am I gonna do? Freaking scam all those people. He's probably trying to make a 3x that. Buy more. Like what?
I just think it's diabolical, bro.
Yeah. There's nothing we can do about it.
And you know what's crazy? This thing is so racist. It's usually not the white old dudes. It's usually, not the white old dudes. Nah, but what the fuck, though? Dude, $3,000.
Don't do this thing.
Buy more.
Don't do this thing.
Probably more.
Like, who am I not to tell him not to scam?
Did you just try buttons, or? What, Marcus? What were you saying?
I'm saying, who am I not to tell him to scam?
What the fuck are you talking about, bro? This dude's crazy.
You try to make it 2 times it, bro.
Probably. Probably. God, I hate these fucking cracks. These cracks are the fucking death of me. I don't even know where bro went. Oh, there you are. I'm so bad. Where did you even go? Oh.
Homies over homies. Are you a homies over those type of person? Yeah, I see you destroying them.
Yeah, he's gonna... Marcus, you want to come down here real quick and trick this guy?
Hold on. Oh, that's not him. Okay, I have to close the stairs. I think I tricked his backside, I don't know.
Oh my god, this crack. I can't, bro. I know he's low. He's using these to his advantage. This guy, I need to die.
No, keep eating up his shit. Eating up his shit. Because now he's bleeding, so you know. Yeah, he can't stay in the game forever. Oh shit. He dead ass.
Oh, there's I hear it. Oh. What was that?
What the fuck?
Alright, looks like I gotta go up.
Shit.
I don't think they're down here. They're hurting Grandpa.
Too
Oh my
late.
fucking god,
Too
they
late.
opened the fucking exit. No!
Can't see shit, bro.
Fuck. It's the guy that I've been fucking up that's just beating Grandpa. He's just standing. Why is no one doing anything? Got him. He's the guy I've been fucking up to. So I can refeed Grandpa because bro wanted to do that shit. Alright, 1 dead, 1 escape. So that's decent odds.
Wait, where's the fucking...
Easy traded there. Alright, Grandpa got his shit refed, so he's back up. Oh, they're over there. You see that highlight?
Alright, we got 1 escape.
Yeah, they're up here though. Did you not see the girl highlighted?
Huh?
The girl is highlighted. She's up here.
Here, are you fucking him up?
Yeah, bro, I need help. I'm soloing this.
They're all the way up.
She's gonna escape.
No, I can't teleport, man. That's her, man. Just get her thing.
What?
I just need 2 people.
No, they all escaped.
No, there?
Oh, it's just 1 escape.
Yeah. I just need 1 more. I forgot what my build was.
Bro. Bones is just standing about. Bro was right with me during the chase and he didn't help. Our other killer is just AFK. Alright, so that girl, bro, she's gotta be down the basement. Or hiding somewhere, or AFK. I haven't ran into her once.
Did I see her? I see her.
Oh, I see where you're at.
No,
how do I see you? What button do I hold down to highlight you again?
What's the update that?
Alright.
What the?
How did you let her do that?
What? Hey, you do that, you do that. Alright, I'll go follow.
Get her, she's on the other side of the building.
Oh, she's trying to hit you, she's trying to hit you.
Yeah, well, she fucked it up.
Oh, you got her, you got her, you got her.
I got her?
Yes, yes, yes. I can't see shit. Oh my gosh.
It's right here.
Oh shit, not it. Bro,
I got
Virginia?
her. I don't know where she's at.
Oh, I see it, I see it. She went down. She went down.
See
She
where
went
she
back
went?
into the building. She went back into the building.
No, I know she's low. She's one hit. How did I not instant kill her though? I thought the charge attack.
It
one
is. It
shot.
is. If she literally fell down, like we could literally couldn't see the prop to like hit her.
So she's low.
Yeah,
She's bad.
She's super low. I can track her though.
Track. I see her. She's over here with me.
Seriously. I see she's in there.
I don't know where she went though. Lost her.
Bro, there's no footprints anywhere? What the fuck? There's no footprints.
Bro, where the hell did she go? I literally saw her and then now she's
I think I
gone.
know where she went.
She's back up.
She's gonna go back to the.
Probably
Oh
that
shit!
now.
The valve. No! I'm getting hit! I'm getting hit!
Where are you? Make a noise.
Hold on, I'm doing the valve.
Where?
She's. Wait, yes. Wait, follow me. Where? She's in these bushes somewhere.
Tracking?
Yeah. She went through there. She went through here. Can't go through there. Oh, no.
What?
See her. It says. She went back downstairs. Wait, no, she didn't. She went back to the valve. Oh my gosh.
This girl is determined to fuck with that valve.
Wait, no, it's not. Wait, why is the footsteps? Wait. See here. She went in these bushes somewhere. No way. It really stops here. Her footsteps really stops here. Oh, I see her!
What? Bro, this fucking
She's down.
God.
She's down.
She's knocked?
Yeah, she's not. She fell down the well. She's super low. She gotta be super low.
Dude, how is she like... I don't understand how she's still alive. Like, she should be fucking dead.
That blinding thing is actually annoying. I thought it was ass. The fact that you can't run while you have to... You still chicken?
No, I'm looking around. Dude, I don't know where she's at. She's not down here anymore.
Yeah, it's right up here. I'm gonna track her up here.
I feel like I would have hurt her. Anything?
My footprints. So footprints. She's really good at hiding. Seriously.
She is. I feel like I should be able to hear her though. I feel like she should be like groaning, right? Badly?
If she hits this valve one more time, wait, she escapes right here. I literally can't escape from there. You stay where the valve is. I'm gonna go check the other exit gates.
Alright.
Oh my gosh. Yo!
What?
She opened the... Oh my gosh. She opened the door. Yes. She
Found her!
Okay.
She's right here. She's next to the valve.
Come on, come on.
Got her. I killed her through the purple shit, bro.
Let's
I
go.
killed her through the blue shit. I don't even see the kill. I can see blue. Holy shit. I knew she was there, so I was just looking at her. She was hiding in the bush, and her character literally went, shit, does he see me? And then she ran.
She
and
literally
I went, wait, what the fuck is that?
I was literally camping. That's what I said. I believe she was there. Oh.
She was there the whole time. She was in the bush, right next to the valve.
Oh my
I guess
God.
I guess if you stare at somebody hiding long enough, they reveal themselves.
Okay.
Because I looked at her, and her character literally went, shit, does he see me? And that's when I think she ran, because I think she realized I heard that. But she wasn't able to run and react fast enough. Hey, not bad. The first game was really pretty well. Second game and third game, pretty good.
Yeah.
Let's see if we can end the third. This is the third or fourth. This is the fourth one, right? Fourth game?
Yeah.
Yeah, hopefully we can end the fourth one off on a good bang, and then we can go back to playing some rivals. Alright, do we get a killer this time with us? Yes, we do. Well, I don't want to play another Leatherface. Fuck, I forgot this. I can't. 2000 or 99. I love me my remake. I got it. If you get level 99, you unlock an oil chainsaw.
What should have been a night of memories and celebration turned into a scene one witness described as hell on earth. Teenagers at Dutton High School were celebrating an otherwise uneventful senior dance when two local men, identified as 43-year-old Packet Wafer and his 24-year-old son Rat Wafer, entered the gymnasium with a variety of bladed weapons.
I love the remake Leatherface. I'm so glad that they added this Leatherface from the other movies. Like, they could have given us like a Texas Chainsaw 2 Leatherface, and I'm so happy they gave us a remake one. The remake Leatherface is my favorite design, I think, of any Leatherface. I've actually cosplayed as that design. It's such a great design for Leatherface. I like how you can tell it's two different hairs. Like, it's like a different brown hair inside. And they already woke up Grandpa. How the fuck did they manage to wake him up? The game just started.
Just make noise. And you don't want to be quiet. So confident. Alright, this is the map I know. Alright, what do we get? We got a sissy. Okay. So we got a good sissy. I just don't like it when it's like raining and dark. I literally can't see anything. Like, I might have to turn on my brightness.
I can see pretty decent.
Like in the bushes? In the hiding, bro? Oh my gosh.
That's why I run and I look at the hiding spots as I'm running. I don't see anyone down. They must have all left as a
Oh,
group.
killed one.
Damn, that quick. Then they disconnected as you killed them, man. They were pissed.
Dude.
I found one. I think I found a girl.
That was so good. Go, Papa.
Swear to God, I thought I saw her. Am I?
Bruce Johnny is such a powerhouse.
Can Johnny go through cracks?
Nope. He just has a lot of stamina. Like, he can just keep hitting it over and over again. He hits hard, too. So.
Yeah, I don't think anyone else is down here. I'm gonna go up.
She just spawned into the game. She dies.
Hmm?
She literally just got into the game. She's already dead.
Who was?
Anna.
Oh, the girl that you killed?
Yeah. He was already up here. Bro, Sissy singing is plain as hell. If only they kept supporting the game. Damn.
Yeah, it's actually unfortunate 'cause I really like this game.
Yeah.
It's honestly a really good game.
Oh, once already.
If they kept supporting it, this game could deadass become like a good contender to Friday the 13th.
Yeah.
I mean, it's made by the same people, and even Kane Hodder has involvement with this game because Kane Hodder's Jason, by the way. Jason through part 7 goes 8 through X through Jason goes to hell. He did the movements for Leatherface in this game, and he did the movements for Jason in Friday the 13th in game. I actually, funny enough, when I went to that con in Kentucky, I literally watched the Q&A when Kane Hodder was talking about the Texas Chainsaw game. And that was in 2023 when I did that con. So.
I see you, Sonny.
Oh shit, they're attacking Grandpa. What the fuck? Oh, she's killing her.
Alright, Sonny's down in the basement.
Hell yeah. You said Sonny's down here?
Yeah. I got hit him a few times. Should be pretty weak to be able to one shot him with it.
I'm looking for him, I don't see him.
Yeah. I will. I promise. This dude. Wait, Sissy's whistles now. Well, you got this freaky ass.
Oh, I found him. He's up here.
He's dead.
Oh shit, my controller disconnected. Hell yeah, well. There's only one more left.
They're gonna die too. Don't worry.
You all die.
Oh shit.
Bro, Grandpa is breathing in my ear.
Why did he do that? Am I crazy?
What?
Why did he sound like that? What the hell? And he... I was like, bled out.
Alright, I'm back in this my controller.
Is she dead? She bled out.
Who? Did she?
Here.
No, she's alive.
Oh wait.
What, is she in the
Oh,
basement?
Sticky's killing her.
Ah, hell yeah, bro. We got a 4 kill.
Yeah, before she even left. Oh, let's go, Sissy.
Meow, meow, meow.
That's what I'm talking about.
Bro, you excited for Scream 7 tomorrow, bro?
Scream 7, really? From 6 to 7?
6, 7.
Okay.
I'm excited for Scream 7, bro. Fan event, bro. Hell yeah. Goated. Alrighty. Alright, well that's gonna do it for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video of me playing Texas Chainsaw again. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And let me know in the comments if you guys are gonna be going to see Scream 7 tomorrow. And let me know what your thoughts are. Are you excited? Are you eh? Or are you just kinda like in the middle ground? So let me know what your thoughts are. I will definitely be doing a YouTube short though of my thoughts on Scream 7. My thoughts on the 4 of us, on our thoughts on the movie, and I'll definitely post it. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and as always, stay awesome.